Welcome to JH. Today we're diving into the world of Lune Nerve Balm Neuropathy Cream to see if it's a miracle in a jar or just another overhyped lotion. People are buzzing about whether this stuff is actually legit, and the reviews tell a pretty colorful story. First off, it's sold on Amazon, which in today's world is basically the equivalent of a medical product getting a Nobel Prize in trustworthiness. Buyers claim it absorbs faster than your paycheck on rent day and provides solid relief for that lovely burning and tingling sensation in your hands and feet. Some users even called the results unbelievable, though I suspect they might just be easily impressed. Of course, the honeymoon phase doesn't last for everyone, as a handful of users reported absolutely zero change even after regular use. It turns out that rub-on magic doesn't work for every single nervous system on the planet. Shocking, I know. While many swear it's the best cream they've ever touched, a common theme is that the price tag is a bit hard to swallow. Some love the effect but wish they didn't have to take out a second mortgage to keep their feet comfortable. Plus, a few unlucky souls received broken seals during delivery, because nothing says premium healthcare like a leaky mess in your mailbox. When it comes to actual performance, the feedback is a total mixed bag. Plenty of folks are thrilled, claiming it's the only thing that lets them sleep without feeling like they're walking on Legos. Others found that while it smells nice and soothes the skin, the underlying pain stayed exactly where it was. Basically, it's a legitimate product that works wonders for some and acts as a very expensive scented moisturizer for others. If you've got the budget to treat your nerves like royalty, it's worth a shot, but maybe don't expect it to solve all your life's problems. Thanks for watching till the end. And don't forget to subscribe for more updates that actually tell it like it is.